Hello everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLB 35. This vehicle has 302 horsepower with 295 pound-feet of torque and a 2-liter twin turbocharged inline 4-cylinder. So this is basically like an entry-level AMG model. Really nice steering wheel. I really love the steering wheels in these newer Mercedes-AMG products, especially on the steering wheel, how they have like these controls, little screen dial things for the sport modes. You can also adjust the sport suspension, which is pretty awesome. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus. I really like these AC vents. You have a wireless charger over there, or at least I hope it's a wireless charger. And then you have a little storage spot right here. You have the black with the suede inserts, and you also have red seat belts with red stitching. Looks kind of cool. Touchscreen. You have Apple CarPlay, and I believe you have Android Auto as well. This has a 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission with nice metal shift pedals, which feel great. You have this Mercedes. The interior trim is like the Mercedes logo. So let's take a look at this car. I like the AMG light up door sills or plates, door plates. Turbo 4MATIC badge. Nice daytime running lights on this car. These are rear seats. Pretty good legroom actually. That's cool. We have rear AC vents, GLB 35 rear badge, dual outlet exhaust. And here's the trunk space. It's a little compact SUV, more like a hatchback to be honest. You have a Burmester sound system. Pretty cool. Let's get this car out on the road. Pretty chilly day today. Nice acceleration and nice exhaust with the crackles and pops at the while shifting. I really love this steering wheel. It looks awesome. Mercedes' new steering wheels are sick. I made a video on the C43 AMG and I couldn't get over how nice the steering wheel looked like. This looks so cool. It reminds me of the Porsche. It reminds me of the GT3 RS steering wheel with the 2 little dials right here, big shift paddles. It definitely gives this interior. This is definitely the coolest part of the interior. I love when cars have nice steering wheels. I think this is one of the best steering wheels in the car business, that's for sure. So props to Mercedes for that. Look how quick those gear shifts are. That dual clutch is nice. Put your foot down and it'll get up and go. I think the 0 to 60 on this car is probably in the mid 4-second range, like 4.5, 4.6 off the is what it feels like. I don't know the exact figure. The paddle shifters are, the shift paddles are satisfying to touch. This car doesn't throw you back in your seat or anything, but it is really fast because at the end of the day it has like around 300 horsepower, which is an insane number, but it's good for a car of this size, right? These heated seats seem to be kicking in. I don't think this has a heated steering wheel or anything though, or at least as it doesn't appear so for that it has that. Turn signals feel nice. The stock feels good to press. It doesn't feel like super flimsy or anything, which is good. Nice. At the end of the day, exhaust sound is decent for a 4-cylinder, but it's not going to be crazy loud or anything because, again, it's a 4-cylinder. But it sounds decent for what it is. Ride is pretty good. Pretty rough bump right there. I'm gonna put it in the comfort mode, make the suspension a little less stiff, and then it'll also adjust it automatically in terms of the suspension. You also have ambient lights, which is cool. Overall, pretty nice drive. Put it back in the sport mode. This is like Porsche's Sport Chrono package. Also, when you change the modes, the exhaust makes like a little sound to confirm that. Overall, pretty nice Mercedes-Benz right here. Nice little crossover with good power, with a nice fun driving experience. If you'd like to get into new AMG ownership, or like a modern AMG ownership, this could be the car for you. But thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Mercedes.